all the cross-border or trans-border rail services from here to Mbombela, Nelspruit, Kommatport, Maputo, and Swaziland. We'll do the same with the rail service to Botswana, which will go via Zeerust, Mafikeng, then Lubatse, and the other rail service to Kimberley. We are doing this because rail is a very safe mode of transport. It's quite very safe. It is also affordable, more especially for our working class. We are not saying the other modes of transport are not affordable, but we believe that the rail is more affordable and safe. And our intention is that this train should go as far as Bulawayo and Harare. We have been to Zimbabwe, where we met the President of Zimbabwe and the Minister of Transport, and agreed that Transnet and PRASA, with their counterpart in Zimbabwe, the National Rail of Zimbabwe, NRZ, should work very closely to provide rail services between the two countries. And we have started, as we have seen, on Wednesday.